Hello, my name is Andy Klebner, and in today's video, we're going to go over how to build a course funnel. I have a pre-built course funnel that I'm going to show you exactly the way it works and the automations that go along with it. Let's get started. In today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to go over the course product funnel and show you all the different parts of it and show you the automations that go along with it. And you, of course, can follow along and build out a course product funnel of your own. So we click on course product funnel. I only have 3 pages in here because this is like a mini course funnel. But the first one is the home page. And I'm going to open that up in another tab and go over the things that every good course funnel would want to have. We have the picture of either the person or of the course or something like that. And in this, we're kind of getting the people's attention first. We're calling out our avatar. Attention business people, attention struggling artists, attention people who want to learn WordPress, attention anyone, whoever is your audience. After that, you craft a dazzling and enchanting headline to draw them in. And offering, and in this case, because this is a mini course one, to order now, and then tell them, in this case, 6-month group coaching program, discover how to achieve harmony and boost your revenue through streamlined strategic methods. So you're going to kind of call out what you're selling here, but then you want to go with the pain. You want to go with identifying their struggles and anxieties, and maybe even show some pictures like that, showing the anxiety over here, uncovering their deepest challenges and fears. This is if it's a course, offering that they can order it now. In here, they're struggling with their pain. And then I'm going over what roadblocks and setbacks that they have. What is a roadblock? What is a setback? And so forth. And then after that, I'm hinting at a revelation that I've uncovered the secret. The answer in all this turmoil and hardship now, you dedicate to guiding others just like you. And in here, I'm going over what I am doing, the special sauce that I've come up with that I've done before that you should order now so you can solve this problem also. And showing them I've been there too, and I know how to help you out. And over here, we have a little bit of social proof of companies I've worked with before. But then I'm going to go over my amazing programs, a snapshot of the program and all the information I'll offer for them to purchase now. And this is going to open up, in this case, a pop-up. But then I'm going to go deeper. What's included in my offer? Module 1, 2, 3, and you can have as many modules as you want. You just need to clone this and make more. And then reveal the reasons that this works. And then get as specific as possible. And then offer some bonuses. And I'm going to show you guys a page that I've done this with before also. And then say what people are saying about this, testimonials. And then offering it again with what's called the stack and giving them the price. So I'm going to show you guys this. You've probably seen this before. This is one that I've made for myself. I'm unlocking WordPress's potential. I'm teaching WordPress people, instead of having the image on the right and the copy on the left, I've got a video selling. This is a mini VSL, and offering them to become a founding member. And then I'm dealing with their frustration at the top. Do you want to build a thriving business that delivers consistent revenue, but you talk about they feeling stuck, spending too much time juggling tools and chasing clients, wondering how to turn your efforts into reliable, reoccurring revenue? With me, this is what you'll achieve. Who we are building this course for. I'm redoing this page right now because this is before I even built out the course. And over here, I'm going over like 3 things that they're going to learn in it. And then I'm going over the modules, all the different modules of the things that they're going to learn in my course. And then I go over all the different bonuses. And then I give the stack to actually sell the thing. All right. So this was a very early on one that I built that, I've got to completely rebuild it now that it's all built and I have all the stuff done. But that's kind of where the structure of this happens. And now, because I pre-built it for other people, I have testimonials that I'll be adding and so forth. And from there, they're going to get a pop-up. And in the pop-up, we have our form to fill out and then the payment information. So this is the 2-step offer. From this, it goes to our thank you page. But before it goes to a thank you page, it goes to a one-time offer. And I actually spoke to Will about this when we were going over his stuff through Messenger afterwards, is offering them something afterwards. So for instance, Will was selling a $27 meeting to go to. Well, he can also sell in either an order bump or on a one-time offer the videos for people to watch later on and sell the videos. And then using this button with not pop-up, but one-click upsell or downsell, they are able to order whatever is on this page, whatever is that natural progression of what they do. And then finally, at the end of it, I have the thank you page. And in the thank you page, I have a little video thanking them for signing up, and then a receipt of what they're doing, and then giving them steps of what they need to do next. In this case, I'll be saying to them, look out in your email for the login instructions. In this, join our Facebook community. And then the third one would be whatever I think would be good. Check out my YouTube channel, join my community membership, any number of different types of things right here. And that's the basic premise of the funnel. Now I'm going to go over the automation, the automations that go along with this. So we have our course right over here. And these are the main automations. And it looks heavy, but it's not as deep as it looks, and not all of them have to be used. But we have our main product fulfillment, which is the two-step order form. Actually, I'm going to back out of this because of what the discussion we had earlier with Will. Let's say a person orders it, but doesn't follow through. We do what's called the abandoned cart. And in our abandoned cart, we tell them the funnel, what page it is, and show us the opt-in, and then add the different tags and create an opportunity so that we can see and send them an abandoned cart email that says, looks like you didn't quite finish, and give them a link back to filling out the form. So the reason I showed you that is to go into the main product fulfillment. I remove them from that abandoned cart workflow. I remove them from any other workflows that might be part of that. And then I assign them, I give them a tag of that they bought the item, make them an opportunity in my pipeline, and then send them a welcome email. And then the membership grant offer is what sends them the email with their the ability with their username and password to create their own password. And then from there, I've got a couple other different things here. So if I had an order bump would be like, let's say you did have a recording and you just charged $10 for it. That would be an order bump. And order bumps are always on a two-step order form. And it's just one of the choices in the funnel and then the page of what that order bump is. And I'm going to come out with a video that goes over it deeper how to build out a course. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys the overview in this. We also have the OTO, which is the one-time offer, and then the ability to refund. And then the first time that a user logs in, they have the ability. I just want to see if they logged in so I can reach out to them and see if they're doing well in it. And then finally, if they clicked a link in the nurture campaign, I want to get warnings about that. And also, if I'm just starting out my course and I haven't started selling it yet, I have a waitlist funnel where I can put people to register so I can eventually send them there. So that's the overview of a well-built course funnel. In this video, we went over the course funnel, all the different pages, and the automations that go along with it. If you like this video and you like what we're doing here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.